Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. So one of the things, you guys, that have come up or come out this week was the trailer of Ingane's Tembo. Okay, Ingane's Tembo coming up or coming out this Sunday. It's premiering episode 1. It's premiering on Sunday, and kuphele ilokhuzana singozungu thina at 7 p.m. Sunday night. So we're not going to be getting them, that family. We are now going to be getting Ingane's Tembo, you guys. Apparently they are saying that the season is going to be different. Okay, but they're saying it's going to be different. Usne uti, excuse me, usne uti, this season uzobethe. I'm a little bit worried, you guys. I'm a little bit worried because I feel like usne mayethuli kuzokhuluma bani. You know, who's going to say something if Usne is quiet? Okay, I was looking at that picture that they released of the official picture for the season, and I was like, this picture just looks wrong, you know, because usually the picture represents the importance of the cast members, with Mpumelelo in front, obviously, because it's part of production. And also Vele, Mpumelelo is the one that usually gives you more when it comes to like the storylines, because he's always the one that has multiple girlfriends and whatever. I think he deserves that position, Vele, to stand in front of Ipubesi. Vele usually has 2 women and whatever. I think when it comes to Ingane's Tembo, Vele, guys, you know, we can't argue Vele deserves that place. But I think that the person that should have been on his right should have been Usne. You know, I think on his left should have been Uterelo, and on his left should have been Usne, because I think from the previous season, those are the people that have owned the show. Those are the people that have given a lot to the show, you know. I think at the back should have been Ulwandle and should have been Abo, because those are the people that have just showed up. You know, they just showed up. They show up for the scenes, you know, to just appear. And they will say things here and there. I think Ulona Umpilo should have been somewhere either near Usne on the right or near Utirol on the left, because I did even say this last season, Uguti. There's something that felt like Umpilo was producing last season. And I am waiting to see Ama credits this season to see if she's added as part of production. It felt like last season, Ngati Umpilo ube organize. Remember when she was organizing the trip and she was organizing the outing when they were going out. Remember that outing where they ended up introducing Ulokhuzana, Unosipho, the Virgin Ligampumelelo, and they were celebrating Lwandle's birthday. But there was something that felt like, I even said, why did they give Umpumelelo production credits, but they didn't give it to Umpilo, because it felt like Umpilo is kind of producing, you know. I even said that it would even make sense because Umakhumalo does production. Maybe she's training Umpilo on how to do a production. And I do feel like, you guys, that they need to start giving these girls also production credits, you know. And like I'm watching out for the credits, like they need to start giving them more. Like wenzani Mpumelelo Mancabanga, wenzani Mpumelelo Mancabanga, kuze kuthiwa uyaproduce ingane, produce amantombazane, produce ama-virgin. Uproducani vele Mpumelelo, guys. Uproducani Mpumelelo. So yeah, you guys, I feel like Umpilo vele should move. I think in terms of the storyline, her own storyline, vele Umpilo never really gave us much. But if they do make ukuthi angazi ukuthi when do they stop filming Ilokhuzana Ingane's Tembo, if they do make the whole graduation story part of the show. That is big, and that would be big as a story for Ingane's team, depending of when they stopped shooting, But if that makes it as part of the show, that would be big for the show, and that would be big, but that would be for this season, That would mean that she moves forward. Oh, look, below. And also the fact that I felt like last season she should have received some credits. Okay, I feel like, and also I do feel like the girls need more recognition. There's something I'm saying where it feels like no matter how hard the girls work when it comes to the shows, they are always taking the back seats. They're always taking the back seats. Like that thing that Umselik always does, even with Makumalo, is like, yeah, vele, a company is making money, and the company bought the house, but that house is mine. That kind of a situation. But anyway, you guys, so they're saying with trailer ukuthi uTirelo would be, I guess, once again realizing ukuthi ayikho lento yakhe noMpumelelo, well, thina kade sabona ukuthi ayikho lento yakhe noMpumelelo, kodwa ke yena ukhane ebona yena uzobona manje, thina kade sabona, yabona, but ke apparently uzobona yena manje. Have you ever wake wayibona i-relationship yomuntu kade yaphela le relationship, usulinde yena wena wabona ubona ukuthi iphelile lento le, we are waiting. As a country, we have been waiting for Tirelo to catch up with us in her own relationship. So I'm tired of Tirelo, but we've been waiting for her to catch up with us. As a country, we've been waiting for Tirelo to catch up with it. But I think she's not ready to let go. Also, I think you guys, honestly, I love Tirelo. And I think that she is one girl that understands Umpumelelo ne. Kodwa, that's the thing, you guys, about being an understanding girlfriend, is that then the guy just pushes and pushes. We push understanding yakho. Like you would understand. Bese ekusilento le yanibona lento lengibekala. Bese loka pusha nje, yabo. Let me see how much we understand. What's ngbo? We understand. We understand. Yabo. That's the problem. Like I appreciate you okay, you lie, we understand. Let me see. Oh, we understand. Oh, Nkosiyami, I appreciate you understanding. No, uzoto, we understand. Let me see. I understand. That's the problem about being an understanding girlfriend. They don't appreciate the fact that you are understanding where you are understanding. They just keep pushing the limits, pushing the boundaries. Before you know it, you are in bed with another girlfriend, understanding the fact that he brought a girlfriend into your bedroom. That's the problem with being an understanding girlfriend. The next thing you will understand the ununderstandable situations, because when are you an understanding girlfriend? So you have to be careful with being an understanding girlfriend. You have to be very, very careful with being an understanding girlfriend. So I feel like, I don't know, you guys. I don't feel like Utirelo will leave. I would be shocked if she does. But I feel like it's getting to a point where na yama boundaries akhe kade kwadlula kuwona. Now he's like, now, ngeke phela, So we will see, you guys. We will see. Anyway, you guys, I'm looking forward to Sunday. Definitely a live afterwards. Definitely we are doing a live afterwards. Asazi ke job usine ethuzuthi. Utusnench. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Please like it before Pumegona. Share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Ngithanda kakhulu.